Gang, it's time for another episode of Oat Meals. On this episode, I'm going to teach you guys how to make the perfect double chocolate air fryer brownies. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's dive in. Alright, so here's everything you're going to need to make the perfect double chocolate brownies. It's going to work every time, guaranteed. You're going to win your family and friends over. You're going to love it. It's nuts. So you need the air fryer, not the active fryer. We got it right this time. It is an air fryer, guilt-free, without minimal oil in this one. There is some oil. So we're gonna have your chocolate chip cookies to make it double, half a cup of sugar, a third cup of cocoa powder, a fourth of all-purpose flour, a fourth of butter, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 egg, a 6-inch pan. I'm using a ceramic bowl. You make sure it's greased up, salt. That's it. It's that easy. Won't even take that long. So yeah, I hope you guys like brownies. Here we go. Step 1 is actually fairly easy. You're just gonna put all your dry ingredients inside a bowl. You're gonna put all your dry ingredients inside a bowl here. Hey, strawberry. Strawberry's here. Oh, your name's Little Cutie today? Okay, Little Cutie. Alright, so then you're gonna go like that, and then you know what? Why don't you swirl that for me, strawberry? Little Cutie, yeah, there you go. See, even the kids can do it. That's how easy this recipe is. Alright, that's it. That's done. That's step number 1. Alright, so for the next step, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your melted butter and you're gonna mix it with an egg until they combine together. And that's really all you gotta do. Just kind of combine them together in a bowl. And then I'm sure you guys can guess what the next step is. And it's actually... That's right, Strawberry. And it's so easy, we're even gonna let Strawberry do it. She's gonna be our guest star today, so we're gonna let her do it. She got stung by a bee earlier today, no fun. Okay, you ready? Let's get to the next step. So the third step is you're gonna put your melted butter and eggs into the dry mix, and then you're also gonna put in your chocolate chips. Strawberry, can you please? All right, perfect. And then you basically just combine everything. You wanna hold the bowl for me, Strawberry? There we go. We're just gonna put it all together. It's gonna take a little bit. Again, trying to get all these dry ingredients together. With that, you just keep mixing. All right, and now to the final step before the air fryer. Sorry about that, guys. It was really hard to mix and hold with the camera with one hand. So we're definitely gonna have to get a GoPro, I think, for the future for these videos. But you put that mixture right into your bowl, and then you kind of just wanna pat it down so it's, kind of equally all around. Get it all nice in there. Make sure it's patted down before you get it into your active fryer. Alright. I think that's going to be good right there. So then you're going to go over to your active fryer. You're going to put the temp to 350. And you want to put this guy for 18 minutes. I went a little bit too low. So 18 minutes at 350. That's all it takes. So we're going to pop that in there. You don't need to check on it. I promise you it'll be ready when that buzzer goes off. So I'll see you guys on the other side. All right, now that our brownie's done, we're gonna take it out. You're gonna wanna watch out. This is gonna be very nice and hot. Oh yeah, that's crispy. So the last part is the hardest part. Now we gotta let it cool down for 10 minutes. And then we'll show you guys the final result. So here you have it, the perfect air fryer brownie. I know I said active fryer again last time. I promise I'm gonna start getting it right. So here it is. You can dress it up before you start cutting open. You can put a little bit of powdered sugar if you want. Kind of give it that cafe style. Add fruits and stuff right on top. We don't normally do that though, I'm not gonna lie. Just showing you guys what you can do with it. We're gonna cut right into it here. I don't know if you guys can hear it. It's nice and crunchy. And it took no time at all. Okay, let's try to get that perfect piece out of here. Let's try to go with this one here. And there you have it. It's a little bit gooey because of that double chocolate. And you know what the perfect thing is to go with this? The kids will love this every single time. And now if you want, you can serve it immediately too, and it'll be extremely gooey if that's the kind of brownie you're going for. But just go like that with a bit of ice cream on top. And that's it. That is your perfect air fryer brownie every single time. It's not going to let you down. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and share with your friends. And enjoy. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick, simple, and easy recipe. Don't forget you can catch us live on twitch.tv/CaptainOatsTV and also on Facebook at facebook.gg/CaptainOatsMixer. We hope to see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and I'll catch all you awesome humans on the next one.